Drivox Intelligent Collision Warning. According to the Occupational Safety Health Administration and the National Safety Council, 110,000 accidents occur each year involving industrial vehicles at a cost of approximately $48,000, of which 85 result in accidental deaths with direct costs of $1,150,000 per death. Drivox is a system for different vehicles and industrial machinery that detects and differentiates pedestrians from objects, alerting the operator through visual and audible alert in case of potential risk of collision. The system displays a visual alert in red, orange or yellow and audible alerts at different levels of intensity according to the proximity between the person and the vehicle. Drivox security has a 99% accuracy in the partial or total detection of persons in any posture and under ideal operating conditions like no other system on the market. Drivox people and object detection can be configured to suit the demands of any work environment. Drivox value propositions are: safety, helps to protect the lives of workers. Profitability, prevents direct costs due to accidents. Productivity, reduces incidents and interruptions. Optimization, improves work environment.